Hi, I'm Sabina Bauer-Lewis.
And I'm Michael Luzon. We're from the MindFuel Foundation, and we would like to welcome you to Founders Fundamentals.
At Founders Fundamentals, we focus on making starting simple. In this video, we'll share an overview of our online workshop series.
During the 7 weeks, we will focus on the initial stages of your business. It starts with defining your why and then creating an approach for how to implement your idea. By the fourth session, you will practice a short pitch to a local founder for feedback.
Thereafter, you will learn about ways to finance your startup and how to develop and present a business plan. At the final group session, you will explore next steps for your business. Founders Fundamentals concludes with a showcase where everyone will share their startup ideas.
Here are some initial details about Founders Fundamentals.
There are weekly activities that take about 3 to 4 hours each and are to be completed before every group session. With these activities, there are resources and business templates to really help you focus your product or service idea.
To complement your weekly activities, there are weekly online group sessions. They have 3 parts: a topic summary of weekly activities, group discussions, and a guest founders segment where founders will share tips and insights, as well as answer questions.
There will also be 2 mentoring sessions where you will have one-to-one mentoring with a founder. Each mentoring session will have a specific topic focus, as well as time to ask the founder questions about your startup idea. To help prepare for each of these mentoring sessions, you will have activities and templates to guide you through the process and examples to refer to, as well as tips on how to present.
With these activities and online sessions, you will be prepared for the showcase. At the showcase, you will share a pre-recorded idea pitch that explains your startup idea, your unique approach, how you will bring it to your customers, and your next steps. There will also be an opportunity to respond to the judges' questions.
To help with your next steps, there are micro grants of $200, $300, or $500 based on workshop and activity completion and feedback at the showcase. There is also a Best Startup Idea Award for $1,000.
Here is the criteria for the showcase to help you prepare your idea pitch. The judges use this criteria for their feedback and evaluation.
At Founders Fundamentals, we focus on making starting simple. Looking forward to seeing you at the first session.